Good morning, good morning, guys. Do we push down into the C phase for the long? That is the question this morning. We have a lot of demands down here, right? A lot of buy zones down here. So the question is do we bounce out of here? We're going to bounce here and go up. We're going to take out this high first. We're going to take out this low and then go long. Ideally, we come down and find buy-side liquidity and we bounce. But today is triple witching Friday, so whatever you're doing, be careful. Trading markets are not going to be probably the best conditions today.
Feel a little something in your belly?
What is it?
Sorry, I was talking to my cat.
Oh, thought I heard you say you want to put a little something in your belly.
I did.
Oh, I was like,
She's not
sure, let's
eating
do
well.
it. I'm hungry. What's up, Miguel? Good morning, Ann. Good morning, on. Good morning, on. Good morning, guys. Are we gonna get this $30 trade? Let's see. There's 50%. Ideally, when you hit the gray line, you want to put your stop in profit. Guys, this is you could turn this into a long-term trade. You can turn it into a short-term trade. Right now, I got it set up on the short-term scenario, and right now it's got a 65% win rate and a 34% loss rate. It's taking 279 trades. We got one. It's open. 134 winning trades. 145 winning trades. Or excuse me, 134 buy trades. 145 sell trades. 182 being wins and 96 being losses. I will take that any day of the week. And of course, that's not putting your stop loss at take profit. Or getting out when you're at halfway, right? So the idea is when you're at your 50% line, you want to take half off. We are coming down in a C phase for a long, so I don't know, if this is going to punch down more, but this is 50% move of this low high. So this low, I want to go off of this one and say that this is pulled back right here. We could probably come down more, or it might just take off to the upside here. We are coming down in the demand zone. So right here where these buyers came in, we're on this shelf here. So there's a demand zone. We're sitting right in a demand zone here. A little lower though. Demand zone is 29,453. So down here. So I think we come down more. What is this indicator? It's market shift. It's not, I mean, we went right to the take profit there, guys. That's just insane. It's nothing new. We have the market shift on a lot of indicators we added to it. I just made it a buy sell signal because the market shift is exactly what it sounds like. The market should be shifting when it gives you a signal. Should always be a C phase. Most trades go right into profit. All right, that one win, guys. An easy $30 or $300 if you're on NQ, right? And it goes lower. Wow, what an easy breakdown that was. Miss Pam, did you stay in the trade or did you get out? Remember, I just told you there's a lot of demand down here, guys. I'm going to rock this indicator out today for a couple of reasons. One, it is Triple Witching Friday. Market is now starting to shift into a bearish move. It's starting to get below that value, below value. And it's picking up strength here. I don't like the way this looks, but 29.46. We start our demand zone here at 29.46. So this area right here is a demand zone. I don't know if the buyers are going to hold this, guys. I don't know if they're going to hold this. We're at $30 on the board, though. Again, guys, this got a win rate of 65%, 34% losing, 183 trades with 96 losses. So you can go in here and change this to whatever. You can make this 100 ticks to 100 ticks and it draw the gray line at 50%. You can go 40, 30. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, the stop loss take profit could be added. You put in there. So right here you can go to on the indicators, right? I'll just go over it with you. So here you can show the labels or it's your buy sell signals. You can show the cross signals. If you just want to show cross signals across the line of the market shift, you can show the retest of that if you want to show a retest. So the idea that the yellow line is the shift in the market, meaning it's a change of direction or a continuation off of it, right? The cool count bar, down bars, you don't have to worry about. Is 3 offset label. If you want to offset this and get it up out of the candles, you can change that right here. I can go to like 20 ticks, hit apply, and it will adjust them. See, it just adjusted it up. The default is 6, so you can even put it up a little higher if you want to get it out away from your candles so you can read your candles. You can show past trades. So if I click on this, it's going to go and show all the past trades, stop loss and take profits. Right, and as you see, a lot of these go down and hit their take profits and stop losses or whatnot. I'm going to take that off because I only want to see the current trade. But the signals stay on the chart, so you can see where it took a short and a buy and a long. Yeah. Down here, stop loss 100 ticks, so $50 per contract. Take profits 50 ticks, so half of that is what I got. You know, normally you want to run it 1-to-1, but with the market being the way it is, it's too tight for that. And 100 ticks, we haven't been moving 100 ticks. The average move has been between 30 and 50, so that's why I'm at 50 today. The box length is 10 bars out, so you can draw that box out further if you want, or you can keep it at 10 candles. Border width, you can change how wide the border is. You can make it wider. Yeah, it's pretty good, right? 50% line, you can change it. I have it at half. You can change it at 3, 4, 5. You can go whatever you want. Reason why I have, because then you put your stop and profit. Hopefully you got a little wheelhouse like that right there and I'll go over the wheelhouse in a minute. And then the length, right? So right now we're at 55. I bet if I change this to 25, our win rate might increase. 68% now. Yes. So, that's a little bit better deal there. All right. And make sure that you're at 25%.
I don't have this.
No, I mean just on the regular market shift on the 1 minute time frame.
Oh, move it to 28.
What is it?
What were you telling me to do?
Put it at 25 instead of 55.
Okay.
Nonetheless, that was a beautiful short, guys. So in this, yes. So in this, again, guys, building order flow into indicators is a process. It's a process of elimination. Am I still going to trade my order? Absolutely. It's right behind me, guys. I got it. I got one on this chart over here. And then I have one sitting right. This is order flow in boxes right now. Order boxes. I'm working on that one right now. But yeah, I have it right here. But I have another one on my other screen here. So, and this one took a short here and hit take profit 1 and 2. And it put in order blocks on the way down. So we're coming down into these demand zones that I was just talking about. Man, that would have been a hell of a trade to stay in, guys. Sweeping the liquidity here, guys. And what did we just talk about? Wow. All right, so where's our next demand zone? It's down here at 412. They're just smashing through it. Our next one is down quite a bit. Excuse me, 420. Right in this area. This is our next demand zone. They're probably just going to flush it right down into that one. Then you have one at 400, which is down here. So they're selling this back to come into the open price. Let's add the TD levels to the market shift. I want to know where my highs and lows and all that good stuff, where all the levels are for overnight. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Let me just type it up here. TDL levels right there. Boom. Turn yellow. All right, so there's yesterday's high. So I imagine we're going to get some kind of bounce at the open and probably run for yesterday's high. We'll just have to see. Today is Triple Witching Friday. Do not copy a bunch of accounts. Matter of fact, I'm going to trade one in and out. I am on Apex this morning. We will see if we get a crazy trade. I'm going to put in these. Let's start with this one.
What is Dan? How do I get that TD levels?
You should have it. Okay. All it does is mark up yesterday's high, yesterday's low, today's overnight high or overnight low, and it tracks current price. So right now we're between the range of today's overnight high and yesterday's high. Daniel, I need to create a license for you. You're a lifetime member, so I need to create a license for you so you have access to all the indicators. I'll do that today.
Alright, thank you.
You'll get an email.
You haven't done my lifetime either yet.
Yeah. I need to get both of your guys' emails to make sure I do it right. Or you can send them to Eric and Eric can just add you to it. Is Eric in here?
Sorry, go on.
Eric, are you in here? Oh yeah, you are. Good morning, Eric.
Good morning.
I got your call last night. I had already fell asleep, man.
No worries.
So You see this killer TD market shift here?
Yep.
Oh, it's nice. What were you gonna say, Daniel?
I was just going to say that you said that you got to create a lifetime membership. Is that because it feels like a lifetime training me, Pan, and Anne?
No, it's because you guys are, yes, you're lifetime members. You know what that means, right?
No.
That anything I ever create and build, you guys get it for free.
Oh, wow. Brilliant.
And-
Thank you very much.
And you're always going to be in everything for what we've been doing.
I do need to chat to you at some point because I need to try and sweet talk you in changing these training times.
I got to figure out how we're going to do it and then what works for everybody. The whole reason why we're doing them early in the morning is because of all the orders that are coming in. Doing order flow training, you're able to see where the absorptions and all that were. We just had another absorption this morning, and it is recorded for you.
Yeah, I've got one yesterday. Was it 1 hour and 43 minutes or something?
Yeah. You'll have another one today.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you. That'll give me something to do over the weekend.
Boom! There it goes, guys. Right down into the demand zone. The question is, what are we going to do? We got 5 minutes before the open. Man, that was a beautiful short. And I only took $30 of that, man. What the hell is wrong with me? Well, you just never know, right? The idea that we pulled back into this zone for a C phase was, hey, that was a given to me. I took the money, right? We could have bounced and went up from here, but we didn't. We broke down. We hit demand. We hit demand. We got one more demand. Did we just slice through yesterday's high? If they sweep it, it's going to be pretty ugly, guys. Nobody's going to want to sell the shorts, and they probably keep running them. Everybody's going to want to buy the low. Today is August 21st. Where has this month gone by, guys? This month is just like screaming. Daniel, only trade one account today at a time. And today I probably would not focus on your PAs. That's just my opinion, not advice. You do what you want to do. But I'm not trading the PAs today, only the valuations. So you guys are going to see a lot of zeros on my charts today because I'm not trading PAs. I'm only trading evaluations. But that's okay. I am in Apex this morning. I'm starting off with Apex. So we'll see how the whole data thing holds up this morning. Here we go, guys. 3 minutes for the open. Look at this big, gigantic candle coming in. Woof. Coming right out of that demand zone, just like we expected. Now, the case is, do we push back up and go into a C phase, or they find the buyers and they rip these sellers out of here? They got enough money in here, and that's it, right? I want to see that market shift. I'm not going to jump down to any conclusions yet. let that market shift come down and tell us what the story is. If it doesn't, I don't care. I'm only trading the signals today. Win or lose, guys. Win or lose. OPEX is real. Has anybody ever taken lymphatic drainage, guys? Has anybody ever taken any of those herbal pills to drain your lymphatic system?
No, I just get on a vibration plate, I guess, because that'll move your lymphatics too.
You don't know what it is?
No, I've not taken those before. Do they work?
I don't know. I just ordered them. I'm going to start taking them to see if it works or not. But it's all herbal, so.
You can buy a vibration plate and stand on it and do exercises on it, and that'll move your lymphatics as well.
All right, guys, here we go. We're open. That sounds like too much work, Ann. You said exercise. Who does that anymore?
Around? I don't know. That doesn't sound like work to me.
You said stand on plates and do some exercising. That's
well,
work.
It exercises you, and you're just standing there while it's, you know.
Yeah. Guys, let's see if we sweep this low and come in this next demand zone or even take out yesterday's high. Woof! It's gonna be a shifty shift market. Let me change that yellow line. I like the market shift to be dotted versus. We got a gap up. Oh, there's a shift down. You got to be quick if you want this trade. There is a long there. I didn't take it yet. The only reason I'm not taking this one is because yesterday's high is right there. We're going to come sweep it. I would expect some kind of sweep and then a buy back up. Or if not, they just crush this and just start going short. It's a huge gap up this morning. There it is. Taking out people. All right, today's overnight low is down here, guys. Today's overnight low. Are you a bull or bear? Right now, it's a bear. What a complete wash today, guys. Next demand zone is 29,340. I'm looking for another signal or market shift down and get that turn. We don't have that turn. It tried to turn here. It didn't work. Why didn't I short it? Because the short was here, guys. Right? I did short it. I just took profits. You know, they tried to buy it here. It didn't work. I didn't try to buy it here. So I did not get into that losing trade. We know that we want to sweep yesterday's high. We can even go down to the low. Market's very weak. It's MOEX, guys. It's MOEX. Today is Triple Witching Friday. Be careful trading. I'm only trading a couple accounts at a time here. I'm not copying them all. There's a short. I'm going to take this one. Maybe we get a big bounce here. Maybe I'll wait. They don't want to go through that 70 level. Let's take it. Let's try it, I guess. Let's see if it'll work. It's a 130 point straight down move, guys. Are we going to take out this low here? I'm taking off half.
Order filled. Target filled. Order canceled.
All right, guys, 60 bucks.
Target filled. Target filled.
It hit take profit.
Target filled.
Another win in the bank. That's two there. That's two in a row.
Target filled.
I'm just playing the scalping game right now, guys. I'm not trying to get any big home runs. This may come all the way down to today's overnight low or last night's overnight low. There's our next bounce in the demand zone. If we crush this, guys, the IV is real. This is just boom. They're accepting these levels.
Order filled.
Insane. Insane. Another short coming in. Order flow short. Gonna sweep the low again. Good grief, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
Look at this breakdown, guys.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Look at this breakdown, guys. We need the market shift to shift again. Even if it wants to sell, it just needs to shift and give us... It needs to shift down, go sideways, and retest it and give me another signal. The next demand zone is sitting at 300. We're going there, guys. It's straight down, guys. This is over here, way over here. Right here is the next demand zone. Wow, 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 wow. Third Friday of the month, OPEX, welcome.
Just about to say, that looks like it's slowing down now.
Yep, it's still going to sweep. We're going to come down to 29,300. It has to now. We'll open it up so you can see it. Yeah, that's better. Coming back up for a retest. Apple just sold off like it's going out of business. Good grief, straight down. Oof, here we go with the pump back up. Inside ABC swing here. Coming down to sweep the low, guys. Patiently waiting. That was a pullback for another short. And there's an engulfing candle. Can we hold 50%? Or is that just a sweep of the low and we're going higher? Actually, I think we're coming down to that yellow line in the next box. So this is probably a decent short. You're just shorting the low. Just keep that in mind. It's a lot of risk and it's very dangerous. Here comes news, guys. 745 Flash Manufacturing. Maybe they use that to pump it back up. Pump, 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 pump the jam. 53 on 53.2 on 53.9 Flash Manufacturing PMI. Service PMI is 56.8 on 54. Came in as mixed bag, one red, one green. No, I'm not. I mean, I'm looking. This is gonna. You can trade this for a sweep of the low. That's the strongest move sitting here. And that would have been a stop out, guys. I'm not looking to do this yet. We need to sweep that low first. Sweeping the low here. Why didn't I short it if I knew I was going to sweep? Just because I don't want to short the bottom. So we got a sweep there, and now it's short. It's possible. I don't like this either. I need to start making. This is making lower lows and lower highs. Don't get me wrong. But we're in the low. The idea that it sweeps this probably wins. But we're short in the bottom. Something I definitely don't want to do, right? And there's a winning trade. Oh, it's going to sweep it. I thought it... Yeah, no, it already swept it. So that's the new low there. That would have been a winning trade, guys. I didn't take it. Damn, they just crushed right through this last demand zone like it didn't even exist. I think we're going to get this inversion long, guys. I'm going to take this long here.
Order filled.
Going against the signal, right? Can we get a pump back up? Been making lower lows and lower highs. No follow through as of yet. I'm going to add to this one. Do we hold the range from yesterday or do we break it?
Order filled.
I added another one. Here we go again. No follow through here. Are we going to sweep the low again before we bounce? It just showed a string of buyers coming in on order flow. I might have added a little too fast. Come on, baby. Let's go get that wig. Not just this one. Let's go get that one. Back in profits. If you want your money, you can take it. Looking to sweep that low. That
Target
wick,
filled.
there we go. We are in the money. Can we do it, guys? That was not a signal trade, that was an order flow trade. Though you are going to get a long here. Wow.
Target filled.
We're holding the shelf here, guys. We may come lower. Stop's going to be in profit for me, guys. I don't trust this. It's got to pump up if it's going to do it. There it goes. Let's see if we can do it. Got to get above these highs. We may go back into the range. We're back in yesterday's range, guys. Today is OPEX Friday. Options are expiring today, so just be very careful. Starting to get a little rejection here. There's another long here. I'm gonna take this one.
Order submitted.
I'm in again. It looks like we're starting to build a bear flag out to go short. They may want to take out this other yellow line down here, guys. This one down here. Still think we got some kind of bounce coming, but maybe we don't. A lot of sellers showing back up in the tape here. 246 in this candle by itself. 254. What I don't like about this trade now, I'm just going to be honest, is just put in a little wick here. We got a lower wick here and a lower wick here. It's usually a sign that we're going to go down more. But I'm close enough that we'll see if they just keep popping and dropping. Yeah, I'm only $100 negative right now. I'm giving it some room here. I'm surprised we didn't, I'm surprised we didn't pick up a sell. It's got a retest for a sell. It's going to sweep this low, guys. Horrible trade, Dan. No follow through. Couldn't even get back up to this demand zone. Alright, I'm going to DCA in one more time. I wick to bottom. 30 seconds. I missed it. Alright, let's do it one more time here. Come on, you can get back up to my entry. It's not going to do it. It's going to flush the slow. Come on. Come on, give me a hard push-up. I'm still under one lot, guys. And it's trying so hard. They're just not letting it go. I think we sweep this candle, but maybe we don't. Come on. Boom. Got him. Thank you, Lord. I love you. Now can we go get the TP for 3 and then run up to the gray box? Yes, we can. Let's do it. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that worked out just beautiful. That is the C phase for inside swing. We come to my gray box up here where my take profit is in that 348 level. We should get our inside move.
Order filled.
We should get our inside move. Here it is right here. Whoop, wrong one. If they can't do it, we have problems. We should be able to get right to my money line. $124 runner. Can we do it? Can we do it? Put me in, coach. There's a long right there for $40 take profit. My stop would be below that 24,400 buyer. Now, we are pushing up into the sell zone. You got to keep in mind, look at the sell numbers. 25,286 contracts. 33,861 contracts. Did they put these in order to get buyers to buy back? Abso-freaking-lutely they did, right? Because it's a one-sum game. Meaning the banks cannot just put in a bunch of orders without having the retail guys there, right? So they put in all these orders, flush it down, everybody joins the short, and guess what? They take profit, they go long, they take the other side, and they take your money. That's what we're trading, the inversion long right now. Can we get it? The first TP, that's a winning trade. That one already won. This is what I see on order flow anyways, guys. I am up $250 right now in the morning. I'd like to get that 124 to offset yesterday's because I got profits yesterday, but I didn't get all the profits. I may have to just take this off. We're going absolutely nowhere. We're still holding these sellers. They're going to come back down and flush these buyers again. I'm out.
Order
Going to take
filled.
my money there. $220. This is yesterday's range we're holding here. I still think they have a long pushing up, guys. You got one more long right up into this top here. This may push down just a little bit more. This may come down a little bit more, guys. We really want to hold that yellow line. So my stop would be lower than this. Guys, this is garbage now, man. We're at that 4-hour close. Just put a wick in to the upside. Let's see what this does. But I don't know. I may just walk away. It's 8 o'clock. OPEX Friday. Triple Witching Friday. Just walk away and keep my money. A little spike up into that fib would be nice if they want to short it. They push a little deeper in these sellers, but I don't know that it happens. That one just added to the losses there. Now 106. Still holding 68.4% win rate. Yeah, guys, you know what? We're down in these lows. This is putting in a bear flag. I'm not interested in shorting this market. So, even if it wants to keep selling off, this is how I lose, right? You're selling the bottom, and just as you start to sell it, it goes the other way. I'm just going to keep my profits and walk away. It is OPEX Friday. I don't think we're back inside yesterday's range. I don't think we're going to go back. I don't think we're going anywhere. I don't think the market is going to. I really don't. I mean, that looks like that's a winning trade there for us, but it's, you know, I just don't want to short the bottoms, and it may rip and just take off to the downside, and the market's got some other ideas today, but go ahead and post P&Ls here. Like I said, I didn't trade all the accounts today.
Hey Dan, I was busy earlier. Were you asking me something?
No, I don't remember what I was asking you. That was a long time ago, man.
Alright, sorry.
So there it is, guys. I didn't trade any of these accounts. Just these here. I'm not playing the game today. It's Friday. I'm walking away break even, slightly red in a couple of accounts for the week, and then some positives in the other accounts. So I'm just not going to take the risk on a day like today, because this thing could just keep selling off, and then when you start to join the sell at the short, it just rips you off every time. So you've been watching it for so long now that it's already dropped this far, right? And we have no serious pullback. So if I want to short it, I want a pullback. I don't want, that's a little pullback. I want a pullback that means something, right? Go back and grab me some where the buyers or the sellers really started coming in at. And of course, they're joining the party here, so it may just continue to go shorter. And this can be a trap for the sellers, and they run price back up. I just don't want to get in a bias where I'm stuck and I'm in profits and I don't get to walk away with them. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to end my Friday in the green, and I'm going to go enjoy my day. I'm going to go eat some breakfast with the wife, and I will see you guys later. If you need me, hit me up, guys. YouTube, as always, please hit that like and subscribe button if you like what we're doing. As always, I am a coder. I'm bringing new content and new indicators to the market. And today we traded the TD Market Shift 2026. And of course, it did its job. It gave us the sell up here. So I took this sell. We came in earlier. I took this short right here, and I won. I didn't take that long. I took this sell, and it won. This was the very first trade that we should have stayed in if we were going to stay in the short, and I didn't stay in it. So Not interested in trading this chop down here. So with that being said, I will see you guys later. Have a blessed day. As always, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the other side. If you're interested in checking us out, don't forget it's TraderDan LLC on School. It's VIP is $25 a month. You get access to everything, guys. All the indicators that we sell, order flow, the whole 9 yards. I don't even sell them. Basically, you become a member, and the $25 covers, I think there's like 30 different tools or 40 different tools you get to use. So with that being said, I'll see you later. Have a blessed day. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you.